So right here on page 116 in the Hearth book on debunking the globe and gravity, I am showing you the layers of the elements from eartha to ether. The higher you go, the less dense, the lower you go, the more dense. And this goes infinitely because the earth is an infinite plane. The 5 layers are also the 5 conditions, so these are the 5 states of matter. Earth is at the bottom, and that's solid. Above the ocean floor, that is water, which is liquid. Then you have oxygen above the ocean, which is the air, which is gas. Then the sun is fire or light. So above that is the darkness of space, what Nikola Tesla called the luminiferous ether. You can't go to the planets. Space travel is not possible. You can't go past the firmament. All those luminaries are either attached to the firmament or below the firmament. You can't go to the rainbow. You can only see the rainbow. It's a hologram. That's what the moon and all those luminaries are. How can all the planets be round and the Earth be the only thing that's flat? Well, Saturn has flat rings, there's an asteroid belt, the solar system itself is a big disk, and the Milky Way is a giant disk, supposedly. Supposedly there's all these disks in space, the galactic plane of the Milky Way galaxy. Looks like everything's flat in space, everything takes a disk shape because that's how magnetism works. You have 2 force vectors, what we call poles, come out of the north and into the south, out of the south into the north. They are repelling and attracting forces just like a magnet, because what a magnet is doing is what your atoms are doing, is what the universe is doing. Here's the point. On this infinite plane, the Earth is the plane of inertia, its own disk within its own magnetic field. The layers go like this: earth, water, air, fire, solid, liquid, gas, visible light, and up here is the invisible light, which we call the luminiferous ether. That's what Nikola Tesla called it. He said all things come from the luminiferous ether. Anything visible, audible, tangible comes from that which is invisible, inaudible, intangible. It's basically magnetism. Magnetism carries electricity just like the luminiferous ether carries the luminaries. This invisible light carries visible light. Simple. So these are the layers of the elements: earth, water, air, fire, in this order. The ocean floor is underneath the ocean. That's earth, then ocean, then air, then the sun is always above our heads. It doesn't go underneath your feet. It's always going towards you or away from you. We're led to believe that the universe is an infinite void expanding forever. The earth itself is an infinite plane with unlimited resources. That's why they're covering it up.